Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your OnStar subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to end your service properly. Step 1. Before canceling, gather your account information including your OnStar account number and vehicle identification number. Step 2. Call OnStar customer service at 1-8884-ONSTAR, 1-8884-667-827 to cancel your subscription. You cannot cancel online. Step 3. Press the blue OnStar button in your vehicle to speak directly with an OnStar advisor about cancellation. Step 4. When connected with an advisor, clearly state that you want to cancel your OnStar subscription. Step 5. Be prepared to explain your reason for canceling as the advisor may ask. Step 6. The advisor will likely offer you discounted rates, free trial periods, or other incentives to keep your service. Step 7. Politely decline any offers if you're determined to cancel your subscription. Step 8. Confirm the effective date of your cancellation. Ask whether it's immediate or at the end of your current billing cycle. Step 9. Ask about any refunds if you've prepaid for service beyond your cancellation date. Step 10. Request a confirmation email or reference number documenting your cancellation. Step 11. Verify that any automatic renewal or recurring payments have been stopped. Step 12. If you have the My OnStar app, you can verify the cancellation by checking your account status in the app after the call. Step 13. Monitor your billing statements to ensure no additional charges appear after your cancellation date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.